Hello everybody, welcome back again with another video. Haha. It is the day after yesterday's workout, the back workout. And yeah, the motivation is still high. I mean, like the willingness to exercise in my mind, in my body is still high. Jadi, it's not a difficult thing to do to get myself to go here and then hit the record button and then talk to you and then preparing myself to start my training. So, hari ini aku ngejalanin hari-hariku sedikit lebih produktif dari kemarin. Aku temen tadi melakukan cardio sambil baca buku. It's kind of difficult because it's kind of shaking, right? When you like doing the paddling. Tapi ya, aku bisa sambil baca buku dan itu masih tetap bisa bikin aku fokus untuk baca buku. Meskipun it's a new thing to do, karena biasanya aku baca buku tuh sambil duduk, sambil nyantai, sambil ngopi kayak gitu-gitu. Tapi tadi pagi tumben dan ya hasilnya bagus. Hasilnya aku jadi lebih produktif. And I just finished my work. I just do the checking a little bit. And then sekarang aku akan melakukan latihanku. Okay. How you guys doing? Have you guys fine and do your workout today? And yeah, you already planning to do your workout what time it is? And yeah, hopefully you can get your training, guys. It is at afternoon, yaitu di jam 12:30. Aku akan latihan legs and shoulders dan akan melakukan stiff leg deadlift di 150 kilo karena kemarin itu 145 aku bisa dapetin dan sekarang akan coba dengan teknik yang berbeda karena yang minggu lalu tuh aku bener-bener aku belum bener-bener nggak bisa melakukan force atau tekanan dengan nekan kakiku untuk membantu weights-nya itu naik ke atas. Jadi sekarang itu aku akan atur jarakku akan lebih di depan lagi and then do the thing. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for the deadlift. And let's talk about the body. The body feeling fine, my lower back is fine. The back is kind of sore, but hopefully it doesn't bother me to do like the deadlift. Ya, itu aja mungkin. And there's nothing that I want to talk to you anymore. Let's just do the workout right now. Yeah, we'll see you guys later at the first set of the exercise, which is the stiff leg deadlift. I don't know when to finish this kind of program. Karena aku masih enjoy melakukan program latihannya, jadi ya nggak tahu kapan akan aku selesaikan. Mungkin lagi 2 minggu, ya, until the end of the month maybe. Who knows? Let's see. Yeah, see you guys there. Bye. Finger crossed. Hopefully I can get the 150 kilo with no belts and no straps. Hopefully it's gonna be a good day. Ya, aku harus matiin ini. Bye. Oke guys, aku sudah masuk di 150. Tapi sayangnya tadi itu aku melakukan 140 di repetisi atau set warming up set terakhirku itu terasa berat dan sekarang mungkin my expectation is gonna be like only 4 reps that I can do on this one, but it doesn't mean I'm gonna stop at 4. If I still have a few reps on my tank, maksudnya kayak aku masih punya energi lebih, and I'm gonna try to do another one and another one until I got 6. Hopefully everything is fine, my lower back is fine during the warming up set, and yeah, let's try to do it now. Okay, it's just gonna stop there. I cannot do another one. Udah capek banget. So, yeah, I'm still happy with it. And for the next week, I'm gonna try to do this one again. And then try to do like 6. And let's see how good I can handle this on the next week. But for now, let's just do the drop set. The drop set is gonna be at 130 kilos. So I still have 1 more set on this one. And yeah, rest first. Oke guys, itu aja untuk gerakan stiff leg deadlift, and it was going well. It goes as expected. Jadi ya, aku bisa dapetin segini aja udah senang. Let's moving on to everything is fine. I say actually up until now my lower back is super fine, but yeah, of course it's sore a little bit, but it doesn't mean like it's gonna hurt my lower back. Karena if you're using core bracing technique, which you should using that during your training, your lower back is gonna be fine. Just gonna be like tired. Come along with your abs as well, like the front of your core. Karena core itu kan dari depan sampai belakang gitu. Jadi bukan cuma depan aja core-mu, tapi bagian belakang dari otot lower back-mu itu juga core-mu. Jadi ya, let's just moving on. I still have the next like 5 more exercises. Come on. So the next one is gonna be sissy squat. I think I'm gonna do some warming up, like for 2 sets as usual, and then we're gonna go to 16 kilos now. First. Oke guys, aku sudah sempat pemanasan 2 kali tadi, dan sekarang aku pengen coba deh untuk kok gini ototku. Oh ya, aku pengen coba untuk bawa si dumbbellnya pakai tangan kiriku, dan lihat nanti, mudah-mudahan tidak ada masalah. Yeah, let's try to do this. Okay, first. That was nice. There's nothing wrong with it. And yeah, let's just do one more set. Let's go guys, that's it. Dan tadi sempat ada adjustment sedikit, tapi pas aku taruh lebih tinggi itu lebih enak rasanya. Jadi yang jaga itu front shoulder sama chest, upper chestku, dan enakan langsung lakukan sisi squatnya karena ngerasa lebih berat, tapi di sisi lain aku ngerasa lebih stabil. So that's it for the front thighs, and let's moving on to the calves right now. So I'm gonna do 115 kilos, but it's gonna be resting first. Oke guys, aku sudah masuk di gerakan berikutnya, yaitu calf raise, dan sempat 1 kali pemanasan tadi di 60 kilo. And hopefully, okay, here's the thing. The video is going to be get cut kalau misalnya tidak ada komplain atau comments dari aku. Berarti commentsnya itu akan di akhir video aja. Tapi kalau misalnya memang di set pertama ada masalah atau set kedua ada masalah, I think I'm gonna do the comment after the set. Tapi kalau misalnya memang tidak ada dan aman terkendali, aku akan cut aja videonya. Aku gabungin antara set 1, 2, dan 3. Oke? Let's just do this now. Okay guys, that's it. That was 115 kilos, 10 kilos jump from the last time. seperti yang aku bilang di video sebelumnya yang legs and shoulders, aku bilang mau naik 10 kilo ya. This is it, 115 kilos. Dan rasanya ini baru lebih challenging, jauh lebih challenging daripada yang sebelumnya. And my calves are burning right now. Whew. Okay, that's it for the legs workout. Let's moving on to the shoulders workout. So, as usual, I'm gonna have my seated shoulder press first for 2 sets and then do the lateral raise after that. And for the shoulder press, aku akan lakukan 62,5 kilo. Dan minggu lalu itu aku cuman bisa dapat 7 reps di set keduanya. Sekarang aku akan coba lagi dan berusaha untuk dapetin 8 or more, even 10 kalau misalnya memang bisa. Dan yeah, it's just gonna be like that. And hopefully I can get more than that. Okay, let's take a rest first. Aku lupa sebelumnya. Kayaknya 19, no, it's not 90. No, 19 atau 18 aku diemnya. Aku coba untuk dapat proper itu supaya nanti nganreknya, supaya aku ready itu bisa enak dan benar aku ngangkatnya di awal, nggak usah isi ngejust lagi. Yeah, we'll see you guys on the shoulder exercise. Okay guys, aku sudah masuk di sini dan ini udah quite challenging untuk berada di satu set ini lagi. Tapi nggak apa-apa, let's just try it. Aku sudah pemanasan 2 set tadi di barbell aja, yaitu di 20 kilo, habis itu di 40 kilo, sekarang di 62,5. Mudah-mudahan dapat 10 lah di set pertama ini, meskipun aku sudah bisa ngelewatin ini di minggu lalu, tapi nggak tahu untuk sekarang. Tapi kita berdoa aja mudah-mudahan bisa dapat 10 lah. Let's do this. Fuck. Itu dia 10 repetisi. I think I could do more than 7 on the second set with a proper rest, like enough rest. Kayaknya aku akan lakukan rest sebanyak atau selama 1 menit 30 atau 45 detik ya, 1 menit 45 detik, and then we'll see it again. Can I beat my pace? Let's just see. That was brutal battle that I just did with this barbell. I wasn't thinking that I can do like another rep on the last rep, but I'm trying to like fight myself and saying like do not stop, and then I'm doing it anyway. It is so slow when it's going up, but everything is fine. My lower back is fine. The shoulder is just fired up right now, and yeah, I beat my past me. I beat the old me a week ago. That's the important part. And yeah, I'm really glad with it. Okay, let's moving on to the next one. Lateral raise. This lateral raise is gonna be the same like last week because I really want to do like the tension that I want to have is still high. Dan berhubung minggu lalu itu aku benar-benar kayak struggle banget untuk lakukan lateral raise-nya. Jadi sekarang aku akan lakukan beban yang sama, set yang sama, repetisi yang sama, dengan tujuan melakukan bebannya aku bisa lebih kontrol. Ya. Okay, let's just take a rest first. Oke guys, aku sekarang udah di set pertama dari lateral raise. Aku masih punya dua gerakan lagi, tapi ini sudah jam setengah 2, ya. Jam setengah 2, tapi nggak apa-apa, mudah-mudahan lagi 15 menit bisa selesai lah. So ya, 90 kilo it is di set pertama. Habis itu set kedua nanti aku akan turunin ke 17,5 untuk 2 set berikutnya. Mudah-mudahan bisa dapat dengan lebih bagus daripada minggu kemarin. Wah. Oke, nafas dulu. Biasanya baru tak turunin set keduanya. That was fine actually. Aku kayak bisa ngelakuin set kedua di beban yang sama kayak set pertama, tapi I'm not gonna do that for now. Just take a rest. My energy is already like drained down. Nggak tahu itu. I don't know if it is a word. It is a word. Tapi maksudnya energiku tuh udah rendah banget gara-gara tadi I'm forcing myself to get the second set 10 reps on the shoulder press. Yeah, rest first. 2 more sets. Wah, jadi lebih berat, sial. Drop set, aku akan lakukan drop set di beban, I don't know, turun 2 step lah. Ya, 14. Let's do this. Fuck. Sampai dah. That's it for the shoulders. Untuk gerakan terakhir ini aku akan lakukan lagi di beban yang sama, di repetisi yang sama, dan tujuannya untuk buat aku supaya bisa kontrol bebannya lebih baik lagi. Yang tadi itu di set terakhir yang lumayan kacau. Ya, aku sempat lihat video lagi, kamera lagi. Habis itu aku lakukan 2 repetisi terakhir. Tapi nggak apa-apa. The shoulders is burning right now. And yeah, still have 1 more exercise. There's gonna be 2 sets only, and with no drop set. So it's gonna be for the abs. It is camel crunch. Oke guys, aku udah lakukan setupnya dan sekarang aku tinggal lakukan gerakannya saja. It is gonna be 2 sets of, I don't know how much that I'm gonna do, 12 reps. Dan bebannya turun ke 30 kilo karena 40 kilo itu berat banget. Jadi ya udah, aku nyari sesuatu yang bisa aku kontrol dan aku bisa dapetin pumpnya lebih banyak mudah-mudahan. Ya, let's do this. Okay, that was nice. Aku akan lakukan sekali lagi, tapi it's not gonna be 12. It is gonna be more than 12. Tapi the top is gonna be like 20 reps. Jadi akan lakukan M-rep di sini. Mudah-mudahan dengan beban yang segini, aku bisa kontrol bebannya jauh lebih bagus lagi dari ya 40 kilo aku lakukan sebelumnya di video sebelumnya. Rest first. Oh my god. Panas banget perutku, sial. Anyway, that's it for today's workout. Aku mau rapiin ini dulu deh. Oke guys, that's it. Itulah dia latihanku pada hari ini. And it was super nice karena aku menyelesaikannya dengan baik. Aku tidak terlalu stres gara-gara aku misalnya, ya aku tidak terlalu stres sama semua gerakan latihanku yang aku lakukan hari ini. Misalnya kayak deadlift yang tadi yang pertama itu aku cuma bisa lakukan 4 repetisi. And yeah, I'm okay with it. I'm happy still with it. Jadi nggak ada masalah lah kalau misalnya aku cuma bisa lakukan 4 aja. There will be a next week. Aku coba untuk lakukan 5 mungkin atau 4 lagi. I don't care. As long as still can beat my today's versions of me. Jadi ya nggak masalah. Anyway, aku lagi di fase cutting juga, jadi ya I still can do a PR. It is still a good thing, even though it's a very small PR. Dan PR yang aku dapat hari ini tuh semuanya sebenarnya, tapi yang cukup impresif untuk aku tuh supaya jadi senang banget itu di shoulder pressnya. Yang di set kedua, sebelumnya aku cuma dapat 7 dan sekarang aku dapetin 10 repetisi. Mungkin itu akan aku masukin di reelsku dan di Instagram. Jadi ya, that's it for today's video. I did my cardio already for 31 minutes I think. And yeah, there is nothing that I need to do for the working out related anymore. And I think for tomorrow I will do Muay Thai. If it's not, I'm just gonna do a shadow here, and then I don't need to take a video of it, and then yeah, habis itu skip the day. Habis itu besoknya baru aku akan lakukan upper body lagi. And yeah, that's it guys. Bateraiku udah 7%. I hope you guys like the video, and I hope you have a good workout as well. Please do not think too much about your workout if you're not an athlete, okay? Just be happy with it. You got your serotonin after you are doing workout. You got your dopamine during the workout. So, yeah, you got your endorphin as well. So all of those things are making you happy, not the opposite. Yeah, that's it guys. Hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.